Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. Okay. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU 1906, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called this topic. Uh, if you had one message to give readers, what would that be? So this was the video which I covered on the last topic. And friends, in today's topic, I'm going to cover the video called afterwards. So friends, this is 223 number video, and the topic is afterward, friends. Okay. Okay, so let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. Khurshid auntie always said spirituality is a light subject. Don't go too deep into it. So here Khurshid auntie is telling us कि spirituality is a light subject, and do not go too deep into it because many people have a habit of going too much deep into it. So take it lightly. Do not try to go very much deep into it. Spiritually is not about running away into the mountain. It is about living your life right here amongst people, facing your problem and fulfilling your duties and responsibilities. So here Khurshid auntie is telling to us via Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri that spirituality is not about running in mountains. It is about living in this world, facing our problems and fulfilling our duties and responsibilities with a smile. So this is basically spirituality. Okay, friends. It is about completing your spiritual mission on earth. When you understand this, find balance, your life will be joyful. So spirituality is basically completing our spiritual missions in this earth and living life by balance, right? So this is basically the meaning of spirituality. When you understand this, find balance, your life will be joyful. So when we understand this, our life is going to be joyful and we are going to be happy, right? Because many of time people think that spirituality is all about I will leave everything, I will go in mountain and sit, close my eyes and sit. So here Khurshid Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. So this is not spirituality. Spirituality is about completing our each and every responsibility with smile, facing our problem, and that also living in the society by completing our spiritual mission which God have allotted us when we came in this earth, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. One doesn't become spiritual just by reading 1,000 books on spirituality or joining spiritual group and then failing its main purpose, selfless service and true action. So here uh, Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri that one doesn't become a spiritual person by reading too much of spiritual books or joining spiritual organization where every day, day and night, spiritual discussions are going on. No, our main purpose in this life is to do selfless service to others and take true action in our life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. You must shift knowledge and let your instinct lead you to decipher what is right and what is wrong. So we must shift our knowledge and we must keep a check in our soul that what is right and what is wrong and exactly what we are doing, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. There is no use getting fanatical about the knowledge from the book and allowing your ego to think that you know it all without true application of the same. So spirituality is not about just getting the knowledge from the book, and then again thinking with our ego, no, what is there in this book, I know much more than what is written in this book. No, spirituality is about reading what is there in book and applying in our day-to-day life. So this is the basic meaning of spirituality. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari. Many fall into this trap and call themselves teachers without having practiced what they preach. So many people fall into this trap, and they start calling them teacher by without knowing that exactly what is their spiritual mission on the earth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari. Blinded by their egos, the year of gaining spiritual knowledge are a waste due to no application and therefore no spiritual growth. So, means here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari that so if we take spiritual knowledge from any books or any place, but we do not apply those spiritual knowledge in day-to-day life, so taking this much spiritual knowledge is completely wasted because we have not applied it. We have not used that development for the society, development of the society. So that spiritual knowledge is completely waste, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari. All because of spiritual pride, which is man's biggest downfall. So so this is the biggest downfall of a man, because when a man try to collect all the spiritual knowledge and do not use this knowledge into their spiritual growth and development, so in this the man loses all its spiritual knowledge, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagari, and it results into complete downfall of a man. What makes you spiritual is your spiritual action. Only genuine selfless action brings about true change. So to us, only spirituality makes our spiritual action. After learning something, how we are implying that spirituality in our day-to-day life, it makes us spiritually uplift, right? And this selfless action makes brings true change in us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Koshet auntie always liked small act of kindness. She always encouraged us to go step by step with full faith, uh, with respect to any problem. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari that Koshet auntie liked a small act of kindness and always helped us to go further in our spiritual life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Spirituality is a slow but sure climb. We all have flaws and we make mistakes. So spirituality, if we are in the part of spirituality, so spirituality is slow, but we are going to definitely climb, and we are going to get success in our life, right? It's like slow and steady win the race, right? But when we have flaws in our life and we make mistake, there is quite possibility that we go downwards in our spiritual career, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. But we must forgive ourselves and others, and continuously do our best to improve and reach our goal. So we should always, if somebody is doing wrong to us, we should always forgive that soul, we should always forgive that person, and we should do what is the best for that person and what is best for the society, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. With the help of God and his angel, we can do it. So with the help of God and its angel, we can definitely do it, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Just like the caterpillar breaks out of the cocoon, turns into a butterfly and takes flight. So it's just like a caterpillar which breaks into the cocoon and it turns like a butterfly, which take a flight, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Whether you believe it or not, your spirit will break free from the physical limitation and take a flight to the higher realm of growth until it is one with the Creator. So, whether you believe or not, our spirit soul is going to take birth. Okay, uh, again and again, right? Okay, so. So here basically Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari that the ultimate goal is to get one with the God, and up to the moment we are not getting one, we are going to take birth and we are going to do this, and we are going to reach higher realm. At the end we will merge with the god. So okay, then again here it is written, God bless Shamak, Shiamak. So friends, this topic came to an end. So in our today's video I have covered the topic called afterword, friends, right? This topic. And in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called about the author. So this topic I'm going to cover the in the next video. So friend, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, let us do all good karma and make this earth plane a place like heaven, friends. Okay. And one day we all will meet in the spirit world and you will say, I used to see your video and today we all are in the spirit world. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay. And I will meet you in the next video.